Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a double exposure text effect using CapCut. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then import a green background from the CapCut library. Just go to library and then choose green screen. Next, just add your text and then type anything that you like. And then adjust the size, maybe like this. Choose the font. I will use bold font. Like this, and I will adjust the durations, and then I will change the color into blue. Like this, and once done, just export the clips. Then go back to your projects and then delete the green screen background and text clips. And then export your video. You can export a natural landscape or anything you prefer. Then import the text clip that you exported earlier. And then make it as an overlay, like this. Adjust the size. Like this. And with the overlay selected, go to remove background, this one, and then choose chroma key and choose color picker, like this, and then adjust the intensity. Then just export again and go back to your project again. Remove the text clips and your video, and then import a new video again, and then import the clip you just exported. Make it as an overlay, like this, and then tap on the text clips. Go to remove background again. Go to chroma key, choose color picker, and then place it on the green background like this, and then just adjust the intensity. And that's it, your double exposure text effect is ready. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.